Okay. Good evening. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
yes. Then last week what we done? Last class. I mean on Thursday. I think application of integrals. We done that. When find the area of the bounded region is correct based on the ellipse.
Sir,
And
what was the answer, sir, for the last question you gave?
what is the last question? Once read now.
Sir, in the diagram, A of BA is a part of the ellipse 9x square plus
Yes.
y square.
3 into pi minus 2.
Sir,
I
3 into?
think 3 into pi minus 2 square units.
Sir, I'm getting pi plus 2, sir.
Once you can verify check it. It's not pi plus 2, it's the pi minus 2. Okay. Next. Write one more now. One more you can write. Find area of region. Find area of region. Find area of region in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant. The first quadrant enclosed by in the first quadrant enclosed by
Sir, can you repeat, sir? I couldn't hear.
find area of region. Find area of region. Find area of region. Area of region in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant in the first quadrant enclosed by enclosed by x-axis x-axis comma line x equal to root 3y, then x equal to root 3y and x square plus y square equal to 4. It's the more important question, you can remember that. Find area of region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, line x equal to root 3y and circle x square plus y square equal to 4. X square plus y square equal to 4. First all of you can draw diagram now. First you can draw diagram. First to draw diagram now. Once you draw the diagram, then almost your problem is done. What do you call this one now? What do you call this? X square plus y square equal to 4. Anyone?
Equation of circle.
Equation of circle. Next, this is the, what do you call this one? What do you call this? A linear equation in two variables. So clearly, then we'll get the graph will be always a straight line and passes through the origin. Is correct? Because if you take care, this is the actually we call as the homogeneous equation. Homogeneous means first degree homogeneous equation. Generally, homogeneous equation means if you take any equation, any expression that contains all the terms contains same degree. All the terms contains same degree. That is the we call as the homogeneous. And all the homogeneous equations are compulsory passes through the origin. All of you should remember that. Understood? So we'll get one line also here and x-axis. So first you can take the first line here, another given circle equation. So write clearly that first given circle equation x square plus y square equal to 4. And what is the center here now? Please tell me what is the center? General, what is circle
0,
equation?
0.
What is circle equation? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So this one write clearly that x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 2 square. That means center equal to 0, 0 and radius equal to 2. So this is the center of the circle now. So you can draw one circle here. You can draw one circle. This radius equal to how much? 2. So this point you can write now 2, 0 is the point. This point is 0, 2. Next, coming to the second line. So you can write now. So therefore, center of circle is equal to 0, 0 and radius is equal to 2 units. Radius equal to 2 units. Now one more thing is given. So x equal to root 3y. X equal to root 3y. Now here also just we have to find the, what do you have to find now? So we have to draw the line here, means compulsory first we have to find the coordinate points we can find now. But how to find the coordinate points? You know very well that they given x equal to root 3y or y equal to x by root 3, anything we're taking means, you know that procedure very well. Suppose if you take an x and y here, but in this case, compulsory we have to find the points here, means first we will take the values of y you can take, because x value we are finding that one. So suppose you can take 0, okay, 0 and 0, if you taken 0 means x also 0 only, x also 0. Next, the y equal to, if taken 1 means root 3, 1 means root 3, and if taken 2 means it is the 2 root 3 are the points. If taken 3 means you can write now, or else first you can, okay, 3 can type the 3 root 3 is the value of that x it is. Now you can find all the points. So what are the points we got here? The points will be, one point is 0, 0. The second point is root 3, 1. And third point is 2 root 3, 2. And 3 root 3, 3 are the points. Now take approximately can take. Suppose if taken 0, 0 means this is the point here. And what is the value of root 3? Please tell me. Root 3 means 1.732. So we'll get approximately here now 1.732, and 1 means we'll get maybe here. Is correct? We're taking the nearby means this point. That means through this point you can draw a line. So you can take some little bit top only. This is the line now. This is the line. This line is x equal to root 3y. X equal to root 3y. Okay. Now what we have to find now? The area enclosed by the x-axis and the line and a circle. So we have to find this area. We have to find this area now. So we have to find that area means first we require now this point also required. Anyhow we got now. I think this is the only we'll get 1.732 means approach this 2 means we will get the point here now like this. So this is you can take here no, root 3 comma 0. Root 3 comma 0 and 2 comma 0 it is. 2 comma 0. Now we have two parts are there. First part you can take here now we have to find the whole area means. First you can find separately this area. This area we have to find based on the given line. All of you should remember that based on the given line. And second part you can find based on the circle. Based on the circle. When you are taking the line, in this case the limits will be 0 to root 3. When you are taking the circle, and the time the limits will be root 3 to 2. Root 3 to 2. That's all.
So I didn't understand how did you take root 3 comma 0?
Generally, suppose if you take a graph sheet means graph sheet you will get clearly, or else you do one thing now. You can solve the this line and circle you can solve. Okay, the circle and the line once you can solve that, you get more clarity regarding that. So what is circle equation we have? Generally x square plus y square equal to 4, correct? And that line x equal to root 3y, correct? So x equal to root 3y can substitute in there now. So root 3y whole square plus y square is equal to 4. So root 3y whole square equal, you can write now the 3y square plus y square equal to 4 now. Sum of these two values is equal to 4y square is equal to 4. So the value of y equal to, clearly we got 1. And what is the point here now? If you take any y equal to 1, the value of x equal to how much? Root 3 only, na?
Yes.
Is correct. That means this is the point only required. Required point means the intersection point of this one circle and line is equal to, this is the root 3 comma 1 it is. Root 3
So
comma
we need
1.
to show this in the answer.
This is not required, but if you want you can show that. But generally, but here it's okay. But some other questions definitely. But how to get this point means by solving line and the circle. Okay.
So we need to show that in the
You should,
answer.
yes, you can show that also. The continuation only can write that. Okay, we got this point. Now I'll find in the area of the circle now, and we can do one more thing. Suppose we have to do the circle means definitely we have to find the value of y here. So the value of y equal to what you get? 4 minus x square. I think root of 4 minus x square. I'm correct? Based on the circle equation, no? Y square right this side, no? It's become that 4 minus x square, and y equal to square root of 4 minus x square. One thing. And coming to this equation here now, y equal to x by root 3. Y equal to x by root 3. These two also you should remember that. Now we can take the area of the bounded region. You can take area of the bounded region. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to area of bounded region. Bounded region is equal to, you can write clearly that first, this is the first part, area of the first, if you want, you can do separately. Area of the first part plus area of the second part. That means you can write directly integration of, if you take in the first part from limits will be 0 to root 3. From 0 to root 3, y into dx plus, and second one root 3 to 2, here also compulsory y into dx now. Now in this case, 0 to integration of 0 to root 3. In this case, what is the line? First we have to line we have to take. Based on the line, we have to find this area. So what is the line here now? The value of y equal to, yes, tell
So
me.
what's the second term, sir? Root 3 to 2, sir.
Yes, root 3 to 2.
So shouldn't it be 2 root 3 to 2, sir?
2 root 3 na? No. This is the root 3 value, this point. The intersection point equal to root 3 comma 1. through this point draw one line perpendicular to x-axis. What about this point here, root 3 comma 0? Correct. One is based on this line from here to here. When you are taking from here to here, the limits will be 0 to root 3. Correct. And when I am taking on the circle for the second part, from here to here the limits. So what about the first value, root 3? 2, 2. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Root 3 to 2. Y into dx. So into dx plus integration of root 3 to 2. The circle equation y equal to, clearly we got now, root of 4 minus x square into dx. Okay, now we can simplify and I can write it. That is the final answer for that. That is the area of the bounded region. Area of the bounded region. So integration of 1 by root 3 can take outside here. 1 by root 3 take common because constant value take outside. And integration of 0 to root 3 x into dx plus, and integration of root 3 to 2, the one you can write the root of 2 square minus x square into dx. Now tell me the formulas here now. First one, integration x equal to, clearly you can write now x square. 1 by root 3 into x square 0 to root 3, 0 to root 3 plus integration of a square minus x square. What is the formula we have? Integration of a square minus x square. Integration of a square minus x square. X by a into x by a. So what you get? X by 2 into root of 4 minus x square. 4 minus x square. Next.
Plus
Please tell me.
a square by 2
Plus
into sin inverse
a
x by
square by 2. A square by 2 means then what you get? 2 square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Correct? A equal to 2. So this is the root 3 to 2 now. Root 3 to 2. Now verify it. Upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by root 3 into root 3 whole square means 3 minus 0. First thing. Plus, if taken 2 means 2 by 2. Write clearly. Nothing happened. It is 2 by 2 into, this is any have 0 plus 2 will be cancelled. 2 into, this is the sin inverse of 1 minus of, and root 3 also you can take here now. Root 3 by 2 into square root of 4 minus 3 plus then a square equal to, you can write now 4 by 2 means clearly 2 only, and sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Sin inverse of root 3 by 2. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. And it will be CL same thing only. 1 by root 3 into upper limit means root 3 whole square. 3 only minus 0. Minus 0 now. So this is the clearly 1 by root 3 means it is a 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 in the sense it is the 3 root 3 also you can write. 3 root 3 is correct. 1 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 by 3. And means root 3 will get. The value should be equal to root 3 only. Root 3 plus any have 0 and sin inverse of 1 equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 also will be cancelled, plus pi you will get, and minus of root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into 4 minus 3 equal to 1 plus 2 into sin inverse of root 3 by 2 equal to, clearly I think 60 degrees. Pi by 3 na? Is it correct? I think sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. So pi by 3 means 2 pi by 3 will get. 2 pi by 3. Now you can simplify all the values. So root 3 plus pi, or else this is, they can write now root 3 by 2 also, nothing happened, it is. Plus pi minus root 3 by 2 minus into plus equal to minus 2 pi by 3. Now we can take here now LCM we can take. 6 is the LCM. So this is the clearly can write now 6 root 3 plus 6 pi minus 3 root 3 minus 4 pi. And take a difference here 6 root 3 minus 3 root 3 equal to 3 root 3. 6 pi minus 4 pi equal to plus 2 pi whole by 2 square units is the area of the oh sorry, yes we done the mistake where it is integration of x equal to x square by 2. So this is the 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 and this will be cancelled. This also not required. So pi minus 2 pi by 3. So this is the pi by 3 is the answer for that. Pi by 3 square units. Actually problems are very easy only, but for starting for finding the inter limits, this is the more important. And how to take the, I mean suppose you can how to divide in the two parts, that is also more important. So that all the keywords, key points you remember easily, means the problem it's very easy. Clear this question now? Any doubts are there? This is the more important. This type of models more important. Finish? Okay, if it didn't please respond, just I'll give the one more question to you. I'll give next one now. Right, all of you right now. Next, find area of region in the first quadrant. Find area of region in the first quadrant enclosed by line y equal to x and line y equal to x and x square plus y square equal to 32. Find area of region. Find area of region in first quadrant. In first quadrant enclosed by line y equal to x and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. Equal to 32. Here also same thing only. If taken line y equal to x means clearly it will be passes through the origin, and x square plus y square equal 32 means here also the center will be origin only. So right now given x square plus y square equal to 32, this one you can write x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to, how to write the 32? R value we have to find 4 root 2 whole square. Is it possible? 4 square 16 into root 2 whole square equal to 1. 2 16 is 32. So therefore center is equal to 0 comma 0 and radius is equal to 4 root 2. Radius equal to 4 root 2. And line equation, and the line equation is y equal to x. This is the clearly passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. Now you can draw the line. Okay, you can draw here now circle. X axis x dash, y dash, and this is the origin. So clearly the circle we got like this, and this is the line here now. This line is y equal to x, and this point the radius equal to 4 root 2 means this is the 4 root 2 comma 0 is the point now. Now we have to find this area because in first the area enclosed by in the first quadrant. We have to find in the first quadrant. Here also same thing only. We have to find this area means here one line is there, one circle is there. So first you have to find the point of intersection of circle and line we have to find. After finding the point of the intersection point of line and circle, from this point you can draw one line perpendicular to the x-axis. For finding the limits, means 0 to this point, one limit based on the line we will take, plus from here to here limits we are taking based on the circle equation. based on the circle equation. Now you can find it. So generally they given here now the area of the circle equation equal x square by plus y square equal 32 is given, but x equal to y they told very clearly, and these will be equal. Suppose if take directly you can find the value of x1 you can find, and 2x square equal to 32, so x square equal to 16, the value of x equal to 4. That means clearly the point will be 4 comma 4 is the point. And what about this point here? Now this is the clearly 4 comma 0 I can take. 4 comma 0. Now clearly we got. So when you are taking the first part based on the line, the limits will be 0 to 4. When you are taking the second part based on the circle, the limits will be 4 to 4 root 2. 4 to 4 root 2. Yes, now we can write the procedure now. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to area of bounded region is equal to first one 0 integration 0 to 4 y into dx one thing plus integration of 4 to 4 root 2 y into dx is the second thing. Now in this the first case, when you are taking the limit 0 to 4, the y will be line equation, and when you take the 4 to 4 root 2, the y will be circle equation. Circle equation. Okay. Now so all you can substitute in there now clearly.
Sir, can you repeat that, sir, once again?
Where? Tell me now.
That area of bounded regions.
This entire thing is required.
Yes, sir.
But actually here one line is there, one circle is there. But in this case, based on the only one line or only one circle, we can't take directly. Okay. So what we have to do means first you can find the intersection point of the line and circle. We'll get the point. Through this point, you can draw a line perpendicular to the x-axis. Understood now?
Yes,
So
sir.
that means this line entire region divided into two parts here now, not equal but two parts. So you can find the area of the first part plus area of the second part. To find the area of the first part, but liquid and limits required. Already starting we told very clearly, just we will take based on the x-axis means, then we have to take here no integration 0 to a is correct, y into dx like this. Here also same thing only, integration 0 to 4, because when I taken the first region from here to here will get, from here to the limits will be 0 to 4, and based on the line. So what is the line equation here now? Y equal to x already we got, plus an area of the second region. To this one, what are the limits here now? 4 to 4 root is the limits, and to the circle we have to take. Understood now? Area of the first part plus area of the second part. Now both you can substitute in there. So therefore area is equal to integration of 0 to 4, the value of y equal to x into dx first thing. Integration 4 to 4 root 2, the value of y equal to, clearly we know that one, the 32 minus square root of 32 minus x square into dx, second one. Now I can find it. Integration of x equal to, you can write clearly x square by 2, the limits will be 0 to 4 now, plus, and 32 can be written as a 4 root 2. Already what are taken the radius here, the same thing only. So integration of 4 to 4 root 2, 4 to 4 root 2, and this one you can write now 4 root 2 whole square minus x square into dx. Okay, now this also you can integrate that. A equal to, the area means area, upper limit minus lower limit, clearly we will get is the 16 by 2. 16 by 2 plus, this is root of a square minus x square. Again the same formula, x by a, sorry, x by 2. It whatever x value here, x by 2 into root of 32 minus x square plus a square by 2 root 2 4 root 2 whole square, 4 root 2 whole square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Here x equal to, clearly can write now sin inverse of x by 4 root 2. X by 4 root 2. to this one limits will be 4 to 4 root 2. 4 to 4 root 2. Okay. Now 16 by 2 equal to, clearly you can write now. Area is equal to 8 plus upper limit minus lower limit. I will do one thing. I will write here now. Continuation. So area is equal to 8 plus upper limit minus lower limit. If you take in 4 root 2, clearly this is the 4 root 2 by 2 into 4 root 2 whole square equal to 16. So clearly it becomes that 0 plus, and 4 root 2 whole square equal to this is 32 by 2 into sine inverse of 4 root 2 by root 2. 4 root 2 by root 2. One thing. Sorry, this is the value of x equal to 4 root 2 and a equal to 4 root 2. Here also you can write now 4 root 2 minus 4 you can take. So 4 by 2 into root of 32 minus 16 plus 32 by 2 into sine inverse of 4 by 4 root 2. 4 by 4 root 2. This is the value now. Now you can simplify it. This is 0 only, and these two also cancel. 2 in this number 8 times. And here also this 2 times 32 minus 16 equal to 16. Root 16 equal to 4 you will get. And clearly you can write now. So area is equal to 8 plus, this is the clearly 0. So 8 into sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of pi by 2 only. So 8 into pi by 2. 8 into pi by 2 minus of 2. I think 8 will get. And plus into plus equal to minus 32 by 32 equal to 16. Sorry, this is the 16 only, na? Correct. It is the 16. So here also will get now 16. This is fine that. So this is the 2. 32 means 8 correct only. Minus into plus equal to minus 16 into, and 4 will be cancelled. Sine inverse of 1 by root 2 equal to 45. So into pi by 4. Into pi by 4. Clearly plus 8 and minus 8 will be cancelled. Next 4 in this number 4 times. The remaining right now, 2 in this number 8 times. So what about remaining? 8 pi minus 4 pi is equal to how much? 4 pi square units. That is the answer. 4 pi square units. That is the area of bounded region. Area of bounded region. Okay, after completing, just once remind me. I'll give the next question. In your type top places, then I'll write here now. Find the area of smaller part.
What is the answer to this question?
4 pi. Remaining right now, this is the 8 pi is there. 8 pi minus 4 pi equal to 4 pi. Okay. Smaller part. previous problem answer is 4 pi. 4 pi square units. 4 pi square units. Yes, please tell me anyone. Next one. First I want diagram. What is the center of circle? Anyone, please respond. What is center of circle? 0, comma 0. Yes. What is the radius?
Sir, 2, 0.
Radius.
Sorry, A, 0.
A, comma 0 is the radius. And line x equal to a by root 2. Then where will you get this line? X equal to a by root 2. You draw the diagram, it's almost 40-50% problem is done. By seeing the diagram only, the evaluator also they will understand here. Okay, they will understand very clearly. You done correct or wrong it is. So if you take the circle clearly, we'll get the passes through the, what is that? The center of the circle must be origin. Origin clearly. The radius equal to a comma 0 is the radius. And actually the problem itself, what they're asking here now, find the area of the bounded region. That is the area of the smaller part in the first quadrant only. No, not in the first quadrant. It is the smaller part means, but we are not again the first. Maybe after drawing the line, so the first smaller part we have to find now. So x equal to a by root 2. X equal to a by root 2 means the clearly parallel to the y-axis. Is correct? X equal to a by root 2 means parallel to x-axis, y-axis. Is it correct? Please respond. Where you get, tell me now, x equal to a by root 2. We'll get this side or this side or here or here. Dhanush, please respond. X equal to a by root 2, we will get this side or this side, or top or bottom. Dhanush, Kaushalya. My voice is audible. Anirudh. Anirudh. Anjali.
Yes, sir.
My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
But why no one are responding? So x equal to a by root 2 means clear the point on the x-axis. So that line will get like this. This is the line now. This is x equal to a by root 2. This point is clearly a by root 2 comma 0 is the point. Now this is the whole circle. In the whole circle, after drawing the line, and which is the bigger part and which is the smaller part, we have to find the area of the small part. We have to find area of the small part. So this is a, like you can take here, this is the one chord it is. It is a chord. A chord of a circle, entire circle divided into two parts here now. One is the major part and one is the minor part. So clearly this is the we call as the major part. This entire thing is the major part, and clearly this is the smaller part. So what we have to find here now? We have to find this area. We have to find. All of you should remember that. We have to find now this area because this is the smaller area it is. Now in this one more important condition to us. And these two parts are same or different. The top part and the bottom part will be same or different. They're also important. In this shaded region, no, the top part and bottom part, these two are same or different?
Same, sir.
Same. That means just you're finding the area of the one single part, then we're taking the double. It's enough, I think. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are taking the area of the first part here now. What are the limits we have? Integration limit. What are limits? A by root 2 to A is the limits. On the circle directly can take. On the circle. So you can write clearly. So given circle equation is x square plus y square equal to a square. And therefore the value of y square equal to a square minus x square. The value of y equal to root of a square minus x square. The first one it is. And the circle equation equal line equal to x equal to a by root 2. Anything they given very clearly. And a by root 2 is the second line. So directly can take. So therefore the area of the bounded region. Therefore, or else area of smaller part of circle. Area of smaller part. Smaller part is equal to integration of, what are the limits we have? A by root 2 to a. For how many parts we have? Two parts are there. So directly can take here now 2. 2 into integration of a by root 2 to a and y into dx. Y into dx. 2 into integration of a by root 2 to a and y equal to, clearly we got root of a square minus x square into dx. Root of a square minus x square into dx. Same thing only. So 2 into integration of root of a square minus x square. Again the same formula. So x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a. The limits will be a by root 2 to a. So upper limit minus lower limit. I can substitute and I can calculate that.
Sir, I can even find x dot dy, sir, with the same limits.
Suppose we require enough, these limits we require enough from here to required means. On the time, then what we have to do right now again, we can find the intersection point of these two. Understood now? So area of the whole thing minus we have to subtract it. So this is the difficult only. Understood? If we take x into dy means we get difficult for finding the limits also. This is the directly we are getting. Understood? Suppose this part is, sometimes they'll ask the question, find the area of the bounded region enclosed by y-axis and the line and the line. On the time we have to find these two parts. We have to find these two parts. This is not required to us. Okay. So on the time maybe we will take. Understood? So based on the problem we have to see. Now substitute there not the upper limit minus lower limit. 2 into upper limit a So a by 2 into any has become that 0 only, plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 1 minus of sin inverse of 1 minus of a by root 2. You can take a by root 2 by 2 equal to, clearly we will get a by 2 root 2 into root of a square minus x square. X equal to, you can substitute in there now. Okay, so a square by, okay, x by 2, we got that. X by root 2 means we got, so a square minus a by root 2 whole square equal to, you can write now a square by 2, a square by 2. Anyhow minus into plus equal to, will get minus a square by 2 into sin inverse of a by root 2 by a means the a by root 2 by a. Clearly will get now 1 by root 2 will get 1 by root 2. So this is the clearly 0. 2 into 0 plus this is a square by 2 into 5 by 2, a square by 2 into 5 by 2 minus a by 2 root 2 into 2 is the LCM here now, 2a square minus a square equal to a square. So root of a square means you can write now a by root 2 minus a square by 2 into, this is the clearly pi by 4, clearly pi by 4. Now you can simplify these values. 2 into the a square pi by 4 minus this is the a square by 2 into root 2 equal to 4 only, minus a square pi by 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 now. So 2 into, now take LCM. 8 is the LCM here. So 2a square pi 2a square pi minus 2a square minus a square pi. 2 in this number 4 times. Clearly these two are the like terms. So this is the a square pi minus 2a square whole by 4. If you want a square, you can take common now. This is the a square into pi minus 2 whole by 4 square units. Square units. That is the value of, what is that? The area of the smaller part. The area of a smaller part enclosed by the line and a circle. Enclosed by a line and a circle. I think I hope you got the idea now. How to find the area of the enclosed area, means the bordered area. These are the questions based on the circle, ellipse, and lines. And one starting model, and just we have only 3 more models are there in the chapter. That's all. And basic models still we are not doing that. So try to give that at least 3 to 4 questions we'll solve. The first model. After completing once remind me, I'll give the next question. Now up to now just we done the questions based on the ellipses, circle and lines. All we done. Now we'll do based few parabola questions. Parabola and lines. You want you can take here. These are the part A questions. Next one not part B. Or other type A is the type B. Next one type C and type D. Then we'll cover the chapter. I think Kushi, please respond.
Sir?
Now you got the idea now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it means happily you can write the examination also, because this remaining days I'll give the clearly if they given parabola line how to find, and if they given suppose a hyperbola, but hyperbola most probably they won't ask an examination. For you important means parabola and line, circle and line.
Sir, hyperbola is deleted by the CBSE, I guess.
Oh, that's why I'm saying that one.
So we
But we
won't
have to
get
learn.
it, sir. So we
Yes,
won't
yes,
get
we
it.
have to learn. So
Yes.
then I'll give that one parabola and line and area of the triangle. That is the more important concept. Definitely I'll explain that question. Okay. Yes, tell me, Chirag.
I was saying that y is equal to under root a square minus x square. That we don't have to substitute x value as a by root 2.
That also required, no?
So if I substitute, I'm getting y is equal to a by root 2, sir.
That's why I'm saying very clearly that whenever taken the equations on the time, but definitely, but don't take. I think where it is. Tell me now, once.
So but just now you erased it, sir. The equation you have written.
That equation, okay, means x square plus y square equal to a square. This one, na?
Yes, sir.
We're taking y square equal to a square minus x square. Then y equal to square root of a square minus x square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Suppose we taken the value of x square equal to a square minus y square and x equal to root of a square minus y square means, suppose we are taking this function means the limits you can take on the y-axis. But especially for this question, but the limits of taking on the y-axis, it's not possible.
Why, sir?
But difficult only, na? Suppose we are taking the circle like this. Line we got this one. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
But we require this area. Then how to take the limits from here to here? It's not possible, na? And the time again we have to find this point. Difficult.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Understood.
instead of that we are taking the limits on the y-axis. This is direct x-axis. Very easy.
Okay,
Means
sir.
always we have to find a easy way. Next one, right, is the type B you can take. Type A already is over. Type B. Find the area of region bounded by. Find the area of region. Area of region bounded by curve y square equal to x. Curve y square equal to x. And x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. X equal to 1 and x equal to 4. And the y-axis in the in first quadrant. And the x-axis in first quadrant. This is the question. Okay, these are the based on the parabola. Now please tell me, I want a few questions here now. Based on the parabola, where will you get? Suppose you've taken y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. Then where will you get that parabola? Please tell me.
Sir, x.
Along with the positive x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Is correct? That means the parabola will get like this. and passes through the origin. Clearly passes through the origin. If taken y square equal to minus 4x,
Negative x-axis.
this is the clearly will get the negative x-axis, but passes through the origin clearly. And x square equal to 4ay. This is along with the positive y-axis and passes through the origin clearly. Next, x square equal to minus 4ay. This parabola always along with the negative x-axis we will get negative y-axis and passes through the origin. This means we will get like this. This is we will get like this. This one will get like this, and this one will get like this. Okay, all of you should remember that. It's the more important to you. And y and x-axis. Here also this is the y, and this is the x-axis. And y and x-axis. Okay. These are the parabola equations. Parabola equations. There are 4 equations compulsory we have to remember. Compulsory we have to remember. Because by seeing the problem, it is whatever they given curve, and based on the curve is maybe we will get now along with the positive x-axis we will get, or negative x-axis we will get, or positive y-axis or negative y-axis, and it passes through the origin or not. And clearly previously I told you very clearly that if you take any homogeneous equation, always passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. Remember. Okay. Now, coming to our question now. Here we have to find the area of the bounded region by curve y square equal to x and lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. X equal to 4. So I'm taking the diagram here. X-axis and y-axis. This is the origin. So y square equal to x means. Then what is the shape of the parabola here now? How to get this one? This is clearly the right side of x-axis will get means along with the positive x-axis. Clear this one you can write now y square equal to x. And 2 more lines is given. Actually we have to find the area bounded by the lines and 2 lines and parabola. So x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 here means that line will get this is the x equal to 1. X equal to 1 here. And x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 means maybe just suppose you can take here now. This is x equal to 4 line. Now area bounded by a parabola and x equal to 1 and x equal to 4 and x-axis in the first quadrant. X-axis in the first quadrant. That means clearly we have to find only this area, only this part. Now how to find this? Now we have to find this area means what are the intervals here? Tell me anyone. What are the intervals?
X is equal to
x equal to 1. No, not 0.
X to
Because from here to here only we required now. So x equal to 1 to 4. What are the limits? Along with the x parabola you can take. So take the value here now. So given curve is given curve y square equal to x. So the value of x equal to root of x. X equal to root of x. And x equal to 1 and x equal to 4 also is given. So directly can take. So therefore area of bounded region is equal to area of bounded region is equal to area of the bounded region equal to integration of the limits will be 1 to 4 and y into dx. So integration of 1 to 4, the value of y equal to root x into dx. And integration of root x equal to, please tell me anyone. This is actually you can write like this, x power 1 by 2 you can write into dx. Integration of x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So write clearly Ah,
So can you give that in which quadrant we will get that one, sir? I did not write that. If y square equal 4x, that one.
y square equal to.
Sir,
Oh, that
paragraph.
previous that 4 conditions, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll write here only. Just you can copy once.
Yes, sir.
Y square equal to 4ax. This graph will get like this. Okay. This is x-axis and y. And y square equal to minus 4ax. The
These
graph.
equations are not needed in the answer, no, sir.
No, it's not answer, but we can write, because sometimes always
Okay.
parabola equations we are not getting only y square equal to x. We can't get. Sometimes they give the minus or positive. They'll give some different. X square equal to 4ay. In this case, the parabola equation will be, we get like this, passes through the origin. Okay. X and y axis. And x square equal to minus 4ay. The parabola equation will get like this. Okay. This is the y dash and x dash. Now I can find the area. Already can do that integration part. Limits x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by
12 by 3, sir.
1 by 2 plus 1. It is the 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So area is equal to this 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 na? Correct? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means you can write now 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 to 1 to 4. So upper limit minus lower limit you can take. 2 by 3 into x power means you can write this one clearly. 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 into 4 means you can write out 2 square. The 2 will be cancelled. 2 cube means 8 minus 1. Because 1 power anything equal to 1 only. So 2 by 3 into 7. 2 by 3 into 7. 2 7s are 14 by 3 square units. This is the area of the bounded region. Area of the bounded region. Okay. Sometimes here now, suppose the same question they are not asking here now in the first quadrant. They didn't ask. Directly they're asking. Suppose this word is not there. Okay. The x-axis also is not there. The second part completely they removed. Now what we'll do that? The second part is not there. Yes, they're asking directly only find the area of the region bounded by a curve. Y square equal to x and x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. That's all they gave. That means you can find out directly. These two parts we have to find. That means that the area you can double it. Twice of that you can take. In the first quadrant we are taking is 14 by 3 we got. In the both the two quadrants means then what will take here now? 14 by 2 into 14 by 3. So 28 by 3 square units will get.
Why double, sir?
Because it is the what they're asking question now. So we find the area of the region bounded by curve y square equal to x and x equal to 1, x equal to 4. That's all. But here no, they didn't no condition here. But the previous problem condition is there. The boundary that region bounded by curve,
But
circle,
positive.
lines, x-axis in the first quadrant. They mentioned very clear in the first quadrant. Means that's why we're taking the only one part here now. But suppose they're not mentioning any first quadrant. So they're asking without the conditions, they directly can find the area. Means the two parts we have to take together. That means the full thing. It's correct. The area bounded by this is also parabola. This entire thing is the curve. The area bounded by a curve, x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. That means clearly the two parts will get. Okay, that's why in the previous question they mentioned very clearly in the first quadrant. Okay. Next, find the area of the region bounded by a curve x square equal to 4y and y equal to 2 and y equal to 4. Y equal to 2 and y equal to 4, and the y-axis in first quadrant, and the y-axis in first quadrant. In first quadrant. Okay. Try now, all of you. But if you take an x square equal to 4y, the parabola, how to will get? X is equal to, okay, x square equal to 4y means, along with the positive y-axis and passes through the origin. Here given now x square equal to 4y. So based on that, the value of x equal to root of 4y. That means 2 into root y. And y equal to 2 comma y equal to 4 is given. So how to get the graph here? The y-axis, y and y dash, x and x dash, origin. So the parabola clearly will get like this. Clearly we get it like this. So y equal to 2 means this is the y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 here. This is the y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. In the first quadrant means we have to find only this area. We have to find only this area. Now tell me the limits here now. What are the limits? But the previous problem I am finding the value of y, but here I am taking the value of x. What is the reason? The limits when we are taking on the y-axis, So clearly we have to take x into dy. Starting one I gave very clearly that points to you. The limits we are taking on the y-axis, x into dy. The limits we are taking on the x-axis, y into dx. Now we can find it. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to integration of 2 to 4. Clearly can write now x into dy. So integration of 2 to 4, the value of x equal to 2 into root y into dy. Now anyhow 2 is the constant value, take outside. 2 is the constant, you can take outside and you can find it. So 2 into integration of 2 to 4, the root y can be written as y power 1 by 2 into dy. 2 into integration of 2 to 4. Sorry, directly can take. The y power 1 by 2 equal to, you can write y power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. The limits will be 2 to 4. The limits will be 2 to 4. So that implies 2 into, so y power 3 by 2 whole by 3 by 2. Here also you can write now clearly 2 to 4 is the limit. 2 to 4 is the limit here. So 2 into the 3 by 2 take reciprocal, now it's become the 2 by 3. So y power, first you can take 4. 4 means you can write now 4 power 3 by 2 minus 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into the 4 means you can write now 2 square. So 2 will be cancelled and 2 cube means 8 minus. And 2 power 3 by 2 can be written as root of 8 it is. 2 cube means root 8. Root 8 can be written as the area of area equal to 4 by 3 into the 8 minus 2 root 2. 8 minus 2 root. If you want, you can leave that, or else you can simplify and you can find the answer. That is your choice. Or else if you want, you can multiply and you can write.
32 minus 8 root 2 by 3.
Yes. So 32 minus 8 root 2 by 3 square units. Then how to get this value? I think all of you got it, that 2 power 3 by 2 equal to root 8. How it's possible that?
2 root 2.
2 root 2. 2 root 2, it's fine that. Because root 8 equal, you can write the root of 4 into 2.
No sir, x power 3 by 2 is x into root x.
X into root x.
Yes sir.
And one more thing all of you should remember. Surds concept, if you know clearly, then you understand clearly that. Okay. Generally, if you take in root 2, how to write root 2? Tell me now. The 2 power 1 by 2, na? Is correct?
Yes sir.
That means this is the order of the surd is 2. What is the meaning of square root of? The order will be equal to 2. If taken cube root of means order equal to 3. If taken fourth root means order equal to 4. That means root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2. That means whatever we got the order, this is the always it will become that square root or cube root or something it is. Here also same thing only. And this numerator value coming to the this one, this power it is. Then say here also same thing only. 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 equal to order equal to 2 means you can write now square root of 2. This power you can write now 2 cube. So what is square root of 2 cube means 8. 8 equal to clearly can write 2 root 2. Okay, for small kids means then we'll tell very clearly that already studied in the plus 2 means we have to do directly. But no need to give any explanation clearly.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I had some issues, sir. That root 8, can you explain again, sir?
Root 8 equal to root, what is the meaning of 8? 4 into 2 you can write. It's correct, 2 4s are 8.
Yes, sir.
Root of a into b equal to root a into root b. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And then root 4 into root 2. Root 4 equal to how much? 2. 2 root 2. Right, next one. Right. Find the area of region. Find the area of region. Area of region lying in first quadrant. First quadrant and bounded by y equal to 4x square. Y equal to 4x square, comma, x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. Find the area of region lying in first quadrant and bounded by y equal to 4x square, x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. First I want the graph. First I want the graph of that. Anyone? That parabola we will get now upward is the along with the y-axis or along with the x-axis.
Sir, upward, sir, along y-axis.
It means the same one, na?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of x equal to 0? X equal to 0 means
Y-axis.
y-axis. Very good. Y-axis. Next, y equal to 1. This is the y equal to 1 and y equal to 4, correct? And again the same thing only. We have to find out. Okay. Now I can write now. Given curve, we can write y equal to 4x square. That limits we are taking on the y-axis means then what is required now? X into dy required. So find the value of x. So x square equal to y by 4. So the value of x equal to root of y by 2. Root y by 2. And x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 and y equal to 4 is given. Already we drawn the graph also. We got it. Now we can find now. So therefore, area of bounded region is equal to area of bounded region equal to integration of, or tell me the limits here now. 1 to 4. The limits will be 1 to 4. So x into dy. So integration of 1 to 4, x equal to clearly we got root y by 2 into dy it is. So 1 by 2 take outside. 1 by 2 if you take an outside, means the rest of thing will be same.
Sir, what is the use of x is equal to 0, sir?
What is the meaning x equal to 0? Indirectly they gave. But previous problem they mentioned that on y-axis. But instead of giving that y-axis, they gave the x equal to 0. But x equal to 0, where it's possible completely? The x equal to 0 is possible only on the y-axis. That means indirectly just we are saying that one x y-axis only. Okay? Or the same thing you can take here also.
Okay.
So therefore area equal to integration of 1 by 2 you can take outside 1 to 4. You can write now 1 by 2 is the 1 to 4. Here you can write now it is the 1 by 2 into 1 to 4. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, 4, and this is the minus 1 will get. Here 1. Now I can simplify. So 2 will be cancelled. So area is equal to 1 by 3 into 4 means you can write a 2 square and this will be cancelled. 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 1. So 7 by 8 square units. 7 by 8 square units. This is the area of the bounded region. Area of the bounded region by the curve y equal to 4x square, y equal to 4x square, and x equal to 0, and y equal to 1, and y equal to 4. Okay, these are the questions based on the parabola and line.
Sir, 7 by 3 no, sir.
7 by 3, correct only. I wrote 8 here. 3, 7 by 3. It's not 8. Within 2 to 3 classes, you complete this chapter. Then even application of okay, differential equations also easy one, like that also will complete. Only 3 methods we are learning, it's enough. And finding the degree and order and 3 methods and variable separable method. Okay, and 2 more methods we have. And that one we done means it's enough. And these chapters we completed means almost this syllabus is over. Now only probability, vectors 3D and LPP. And LPP 1 or 2 classes only. More than that it's not required. Vectors very easy. Only just we have to keep concentration on the only the theorems are there now, few theorems. That only we have to see. Rest of thing it's very easy. Vectors if you know perfectly, and 3D also very easy. And the probability, but compared to last year and this year will be completely different. But this year we will get it is the base theorem. We'll get based on the base theorem. We have to do something, and binomial trials means Bernoulli trials will get Bernoulli trials, and by using binomial distribution we have to find. But these possible, okay, and independent everything will be easy only. Okay, that only some new concepts. Rest of all will be same thing.
So that probability is like interrelated to 11th class probability. Sir.
No. 11th class nothing. 11th class then whatever we done the last year, 10th, 9th, like that only we got. Okay, this year will be different. But this concept is important for the higher classes. That means later, suppose you are selecting that engineering or any other thing, probability means these concepts you will get, especially base theorem. Okay, base theorem, Bernoulli trials, and by using the binomial distributions, we have to find the probability. These are the 3 new concepts. Up to now, you are not learning that. If you learn that one perfectly, it's okay, it's enough. This is the October. The most probably we'll complete the portion by November. That means without any holidays, without I kept the leave. Suppose I came, I'll come here no regularly means definitely will complete that. And you also same along with me. You also suppose regularly attend for the classes means, but definitely everything is possible. Suppose if you done any delay or something means, but anyhow, we will get 2 to 3 months revision, the 100%. I'll give the assurance for that. Okay. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue the remaining questions. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, welcome. I understood now. Application of integrals easier difficult this concept
Sir, it's okay, sir.
because if you know perfectly that integrations, then application integrals also very easy only. Okay. Means for each and everything, even for the differential equation also integrals are required. There also we have to do compulsory. Okay. Or maybe the homogeneous, if taken homogeneous and variable separable also, we have to apply the integration. Compulsory without applying the integration on both sides is not possible. Okay. Okay, tomorrow I'll continue. Okay, bye. Okay, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Ra.